Hello everybody, my name is Carson and welcome to another tutorial video. Today what we're going to be doing is lighting a Coleman 425 2-burner stove. So, let's go ahead and open up our stove here. Now what we're going to see when we open it up is our grill on the top and then our fuel canister underneath. Let's go ahead and lift this up. Take the fuel canister out. So now what we want to do is we want to find this hole in the stove here. Our fuel canister is going to go in like so. There's another hole in the end which it's going to slot into. There are also these little slots which it's going to hang onto. So, to pressurize the tank, first we need to open our pump. Then what we need to do is we need to put our thumb over this little hole in the top of the pump. We're going to give this about 30 pumps, and then there should be enough pressure in the tank. So after we've done our 30 pumps, what we need to do is we need to go the opposite way from where we opened it. There should be a nice little arrow telling you where to close it, and we're going to close it. So, before we light the stove, what we need to do is we need to put this little piece up right here. So that should be pointing up to the sky. Then what we need to do, there should be a plus and a minus. You're going to turn towards the minus. And you're going to light the stove. Now this is going to burn dirty and yellow for a little bit. Then as you feed it more fuel, it should turn to a nice clean blue. Just a little note, what we need to do after about a minute is we need to turn this pointing towards the ground and towards our tank. So just turn that little knob and you're turning it towards the ground, towards the tank. This is what our stove looks like lit and going. So that is how you light a Coleman 425 2-burner stove. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you liked the video and subscribe if you're new.